Medals for Housewives. The British housewife is helping to make a second front, the kitchen front, against Hitler. That is why we say, medals for you, madam. Is there anything else you can do? Listen to the list of awards and see how many your household deserves. More medals for you, madam. A medal for this: making delicious dishes from home-grown vegetables with just a flavouring of meat or fish. A medal for this: trying new things, fresh salted cod for instance, acting on recipes and hints from kitchen front wireless talks, food advice centres and Ministry of Food magazine announcements. A medal for this: saving all bread crusts and crumbs, even the crumbs off plates, drying them in the oven and making crisp rusks or crumbs to use in cooking. A medal for this: when there's too little fish or meat left for another meal, using it to stuff potatoes cooked in their jackets. A medal for this: saving fuel in cookery, when the oven is on, cooking the whole meal there and not using the hot plate, and vice versa, shredding greens and cutting other vegetables in small pieces, cooking in very little water so that they save fuel by cooking in half the time. A medal for this: never accepting more than the rations and going without rather than pay unfairly high prices for foods that may be scarce. A medal for this: serving larger portions of vegetables than usual because more are needed to get the same amount of nourishment that used to be had from the scarcer, concentrated kinds of foods. Serving 3 or 4 different kinds of vegetables at the same meal and dressing them up with different sauces to get variety. A medal for this: as far as possible, planning meals ahead for the week to save journeys to the shops and to help to relieve shopping congestion and queues. A medal for this: keeping the outside of pots and pans as clean as the insides. The slightest film of dirt stops heat getting through and thus wastes fuel. How many medals do you deserve, madam?